Hey, Denny here. Welcome to my vlog. And this is Project Z-Force Z6. And today I am working on rear drive shaft. It's sheared at the CV joint. So right now I'm getting ready to pop this off of here. 1 5/16 on this nut. Everything I got is half inch, so I had to get a half inch to a 1 inch. That's what I got, 1 inch socket. So we're gonna pop that off. That'll get your axle here loosened up, so it'll slide in when I take it out. And then I gotta undo this bolt here, and I may have to do this one onto here as well. Those look like 16 or 16, so that's where I'm at. I gotta get I gotta get back and get the caliper disconnected. All right, so this is where I'm at. I went ahead and disconnected this. I used two 12s, 12 wrenches on it, and then once you loosen that up, then you can disconnect it from your brake arm. You're gonna have to pull this little rubber piece back, which protects your cable, and then go ahead and loosen the nut all the way, and then you'll be able to pull it out and get it out. There's no way to get it on, no way to pull it out without having to do that. So that's getting your emergency brake cable out of the way. And I'm going to go ahead and pull the caliper off of here. I decided I'd go ahead and try and do the slider, and that was a, that was a 13. What did I use on that? $12. Okay, that was a 12 socket for these bolts. Yeah, and that'll pull your slider bolts off, and then to pull your whole caliper holders off of there, you've got Allens here, and they're 8s. And I went out not too long ago and I bought some extended Allens, and I was able to snake that right through there on the back side. And they're Pittsburgh brand. I seem to wind up buying Pittsburgh brand now, and that'll take that one right out. No ratchets even of Pittsburgh, and that's your caliper assembly bolt. And you've got another one below it, and she is right in there on the back side, right up under here. I haven't had a chance to do that one yet. Might have to use my 8mm right here. A little tight in there. Real tight in there. I don't think I can. I might be able to fish the long one back in there on that one too. Let's see, I can't do it with both hands. Maybe you see what's going on from underneath. And it's bad angle. Don't want to do that. Just go plain. Like that. cow. Wow. I want to go in there like that. I think it will. But it doesn't look like. Yeah, you gotta do the caliper. Oh, yeah. Man. First time for me to do this, so you know. Okay. Okay, got it in there. Now let's see what I need to socket wise put a wrench in. Alright, there we go. Got it. You can use a standard. Alright. Everything's greasy in there because that frickin' boot fell off there. Oh, I'm not getting my ratchet on there all the way. Okay. Oh, what do we got here? Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, so that finally let go. Careful your brake hose here. Not that, this isn't that heavy, but just keep an eye on it. So I have to pull those sliders out, the slider bolts out. And finally, it actually let go. It was stuck on there. So that let go. So there you go. Once you, I couldn't get the. Maybe that's it. Okay. Let's get your slider bolts out of the way. Pull your slider bolts, and this will fall out after you get your brake cable loose. And then you can get right in there. Top and bottom. So I didn't even need my extension wand here. And just get your slider bolts out of the way, and you'll be able to take your, and there's your brake pads. So you'll be able to get right in there. Once you pull your slider, again, pull your slider bolts out, and you pull this off. Watch it. Weren't able to see really well from there, but now you'll be able to get the alright. Okay. Top and bottom. Okay, so we're going to take that out. I'm going to leave my bolts right in it. Alright, keep them together. Brake pads are in good shape. Alright, so now I got complete access to that. Next, we'll see if this bolt lets go. Let's get the impact on it. Yuck. What back is it? using a 1 5/16 on it. Let go. Oh, guess what? That's more let go. And I've got a it's like a crush down on it. Keep it from breaking loose. So let's get a quick chisel on that thing. I can put my good old Pittsburgh extended Allens away. Not letting go like I want to. Let's go get the big boy. Alright, here's the big Kobalt. Look at that. Okay, let's put something in there, hold it. Alright, let's use that. See how we do here. Alright. Sweet. Okay, so we took care of that. Now, see what it takes to pop out.